Welcome to our channel. Are you ready to unlock the full potential of Memefi by connecting it to Binance? In this video, we will guide you through a simple step-by-step process that you will have you trading Memefi token in no time. Let's dive right in. Many users struggle with integrating their Memefi accounts with major exchanges like Binance. This can limit your ability to trade the manage your tokens effectively. But don't worry, we have got you covered. Step by step to connect the Memify to Binance, follow this easy step. Set up your Trust Wallet, download and set up a Trust Wallet on your device. Buy SOL or another base currency. Use Binance or another exchange to purchase SOL as your base currency. Send SOL to your wallet. Transfer the SOL from Binance in your Trust wallet. Choose a DEX supporting linear network. Select a decentralized exchange that support the linear network where Memify operates. Connect your wallet and trade. Connect your wallet to the DX and swap SOL for Memify. Make sure all transactions are secure by double checking wallet addresses. That's it. By following this step, you can seamlessly integrate Memify with Binance and start trading today. Remember, staying informed about market trend is a key when dealing with cryptocurrencies like Memify. Thanks for watching. If you have any question and need further assistance, leave them on the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech tutorials and hit that notification bell so you will never miss an update.